Hey guys, there couldn't be a better time to consider depositing your money into a savings account. Interest rates are currently at their highest level in nearly 2 decades, and while this may make it more challenging to obtain a loan, it brings fantastic news for those looking to grow their wealth through savings accounts. In particular, high-yield savings accounts have become increasingly appealing. These accounts offer impressive annual percentage yields, with many locations providing over 4% interest and some even reaching close to 5% on deposited funds. This signifies that by placing your money in a liquid account, you can have the potential to earn a substantial return while still maintaining complete access to your funds. However, it's important to note that not all high-yield savings accounts are identical. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are a few tips on how to use high-yield savings accounts to grow your money. The first one is all high-yield savings accounts are online. Online high-yield savings accounts are readily accessible through various internet-based banking institutions, and they often offer more competitive interest rates compared to traditional national banks. Moreover, the process of signing up for an account is typically swift and hassle-free, often taking only a few minutes to complete. One of the key advantages of online high-yield savings accounts is the convenience they offer. With online banking, all your deposits can be made entirely through digital platforms, eliminating the need for physical visits to a bank branch. This not only saves you time but also provides flexibility in managing your finances from the comfort of your own home or anywhere with an internet connection. Many online banks also provide mobile apps allowing you to easily access and manage your account on the go through your smartphone or tablet. The second one is you should shop around to find the best interest rates. As numerous banks are increasing interest rates for their high-yield savings accounts, it's important to know that not all banks offer the same rates. It is wise to engage in thorough research and explore multiple options to find the highest paying account that aligns with your specific requirements. When it comes to choosing a high-yield savings account, the difference in interest rates can have a significant impact, especially if you have a substantial amount to deposit. For instance, the disparity between a 4% APY and 5% APY could potentially translate to hundreds of dollars in additional earnings per year. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully compare the rates offered by various banks before deciding on the account that suits you best. To make an informed decision, take the time to assess and compare the interest rates, as well as other relevant factors, such as account fees, minimum balance requirements, and the overall reputation and stability of the banking institution. Another one is most often they are insured by FDIC. High-yield savings accounts often come with the valuable protection of FDIC insurance, which safeguards your deposit in the event of bank failure. This insurance becomes particularly significant in light of recent instances where a few regional banks have faced insolvency, like Silicon Valley Bank. With FDIC insurance, your deposits are secured up to a minimum of $250,000 per depositor and per bank account. For individuals with joint savings accounts, the coverage extends to $500,000. Additionally, some banks even offer extended insurance protection of up to $1 million or even more. If you have a substantial balance in your savings account, it is advisable to consider accounts that provide an even higher level of insurance coverage. FDIC insurance plays a critical role in ensuring the safety and security of your funds. In the unlikely event of a bank failure, your deposits up to the specified limit are protected, allowing you to have a peace of mind and confidence in the stability of your savings. As Warren Buffett said, rule number 1, never lose money. And rule number 2, never forget the rule number 1. The fourth one, they are a great place to keep your emergency savings. When it comes to emergency funds, it is highly advisable to keep them in a liquid savings account that provides quick access to your funds in times of need. High-yield savings accounts are an excellent option for this purpose, as they offer a high level of liquidity and function similarly to regular savings accounts. The primary advantage of storing your emergency savings in a high-yield savings account is the ability to earn a significantly higher interest rate compared to a conventional savings account. While traditional savings accounts offer minimal interest, high-yield savings accounts provide the opportunity to maximize your earnings without sacrificing accessibility to your funds. The liquidity of these accounts allows you to swiftly withdraw money whenever an unexpected expense or emergency arises. Whether you need funds for medical expenses, car repairs, or any other urgent financial situation, they provide the flexibility to access your money promptly and without complications. The fifth one is you can have multiple high-yield savings accounts. There is no restriction on the number of high-yield savings accounts you can open. In fact, some online banks even provide the flexibility to open multiple accounts and customize their names to align with your specific savings goals. This feature enables you to effectively manage and track your progress towards various financial objectives. Having the option to open multiple high-yield savings accounts proves particularly beneficial when you have distinct savings targets in mind. For instance, you can create separate accounts for saving towards a house down payment, a dream vacation, holiday expenses, or any other specific financial goal you have in mind. By doing so, you can allocate your funds accordingly and track the progress of each goal separately. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, do you currently use high-yield savings accounts? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.